Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I had poured some leftover paints that I'd poured off a previous one and tilted a bit, and I got this, and I was actually looking for a background, and so now I've decided not to let it dry but to do a couple of feathers, because that's really pretty. So I've got some blue, which needs a bit of water, when you know it. It's very hot here today, and the paints are sort of doing their own thing. A bit more. Anyway, and so I've got this blue, and it's a fluoro. That's my thirst. And I also have some, what is it? Warm red. It's quite bright as well. And it's basically behaving itself. Okay. Yep, got those nice now. So I thought, yeah, let's do some feathers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll do one at a time, of course, and I'm going to alternate the colours. So this one obviously is going to be red with blue in the middle. Or is it going to have red in the middle? I don't know, because I've got these strings are folded over because they were too long for my piece of paper. But we're going to see. This is looking very pretty. Okay, now another little fellow so I can pick up my... I'm using 2 pieces of string. Oh yes, very nice. Plonk him on about there, I think. And just bring him out. Wipe him off onto the floor. That wasn't all that clever, but the floor is going to be changed soon, because it's only cement and it's going to be tiled. So I'm afraid the tiles are going to be covering a multitude. Let's get this over here. Right. 2. Come here. And we'll see how we go here. I seem to get one side of the feather nicer than the other side, and I don't know why, but I do. But I want to get rid of some of this paint here. Right, that should take up. Right. Ooh, they're looking good. Okay, so now this one goes the other way, with the blue first. The recipes for these paints in the pouring medium, I don't know if I've said, below the video under Show More. You'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us. There's a link there also to my Fine Arts America, where I keep some of my things, and also a link to Priscilla Betzel's Amazon, where she keeps a lot of her wonderful things, and it's always fun to go and let your fingers do the walking. Is that one or two? I should have two. There we are, I think. Is that two? No. Where's the other one? Come on. Should have two pieces of string. And now I do. Didn't do that very well, did I? Come off there. Right, let's see how that goes. Oops. To pick these up now. Right. Tangle here. That'll be better, hopefully. Let's get them right. And back into the paint. These are a little fiddly to do, but they're fun. And I really don't do very many of them. I think this might be about my third one. Mind you, the first one went straight into the wash bucket. It was a tad more than sad. But I did a couple the other day on a old record, and they came up rather nice. I think they were the same colours. Oh, alright. That's interesting to know. I don't know what we'll do with that information, but hey, I'm looking for two. There we go. He's got them. And I shall grasp the other end, lining them up as, whoops, get over, as best I can. And then here we go. Silence. I'm thinking. Right. Pretty nice. So, now we're going to take a little bit of fiddling with, I'll wipe this off. I'll get some blue paint on this one. And doing this there's still a string there. Ha! Alright, which way? Okay. That's a bit funny. The best laid plans for man and mice. Okay, I've got it off now. Get over there. Go away. I just like doing this and making them look more feathery. I know some people have them and they look really good, like a photograph of a feather, but I quite like them to sort of look a bit raggy looking, because usually when you find them laying on the ground, they look more like this than they do. Alright, now the red. Actually, the red looks like it's laced up on me, which is probably okay. Okay, so what I might do now is just grabbing up just one slice of these and kind of just put some paint on them. Two. Go straight down the centre. Don't think that's working very well. Not so bad. Do the same thing. Yeah. Oh, I'll come around and grab that one. It's a little bit more difficult. And then I'll go back over it again with my knives. Fix it up a little bit where I've made this. Sort of. And who was it? You. Quite like those. So I'll have to bring you down to have a look. I'll just wash my hands up. glue can be fixed there, can't it? I can see from here. That's not very good. You go away. You can go away as well. Some blue. Right, that doesn't look too bad. And this broke. So I'll bring you down to have a look, and they do look nice. Out a bit. So that's them finished. I was looking at them upside down, but that's okay. And I like the pattern behind as well. Pretty feathers. They look like feathers that might have come off one of our rainbow lorikeets. They have these beautiful colours. They're magnificent little birds. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please click subscribe and the little bell beside it. You'll be notified when I do more videos or put them up on YouTube. And once again, please give this a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.